Hello, hello students. How are you all? Welcome back again in the second lecture of standard 8th of science subject. And in the first lecture, we had started the chapter number 15, and it is light. We had started in lecture 1, chapter number 15, light. And in that particular lecture, we had discussed about the different terms related to the light, like as a what is light, what is reflection, terms related to the reflection like incident ray, reflected ray, normal, angle of reflection, angle of incidence, point of incidence, etc. And there we had discussed also the types of reflection like diffuse reflection, or we can say regular reflection, regular or irregular reflections. So let us revise in within 2 to 3 minutes. So let's look, we will revise by just use this diagram. Here in this diagram, this is the surface of object, and on this surface the ray of light is striking. So this is the ray of light, and the ray of light is striking at this point. So this ray is striking, that's why it is your incident ray. This is your incident ray. Now after striking, it gets reflected back into same medium. So this ray which is reflecting, this is your reflected ray, and the point at which the point at which the ray of light strikes, this point is known as a point of incidence. And the angle between the normal, this is your normal drawn perpendicular to the surface. So the angle between normal and incident ray, this angle of change. Normal and reflected ray, this angle is angle of reflection. So this is the short summary about the different terminologies which we had studied in lecture 1. Now today we will talk about the mirrors. So what are the mirrors and types of the mirrors, that we will discuss in this particular chapter. Hope I think यहाँ तक आपको सब फिनोमिनास जो रिलेटेड है वो क्लियर होंगे, एंड अगर वो क्लियर नहीं है सो वॉच अगेन द फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 7th. So what are the mirrors? So generally, what is the meaning of mirror? The polished surface in which इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड. कोई भी पॉलिश सरफेस अगर उसमें इमेज क्रिएट होता है, सो दिस इज जनरली नॉन एज अ मिरर. पॉलिश्ड सरफेस, अगर कोई भी शाइनी सरफेस है, अगर आपको उसमें इमेज दिखता है, इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड, सो दिस इज नॉन एज अ मिरर. मिरर्स can be classified or can be categorized as a two types. First is plane mirror and second is spherical mirror. Plane mirror means in shape of square, in shape of rectangular mirror. These are the rectangular shape, these are the examples of plane mirrors that we are using in our day-to-day life. Now the spherical mirrors are made up by a complete sphere of any particular glass material. So spherical mirror, it has two types. First is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. So let's understand these types of mirrors one by one. So first of all, we will deal about the plane mirror. So what is the plane mirror, how it works, how image is formed, image distance, object distance, what is the relation between these two terms, that we will study in this particular topic. So this is your plane mirror. Suppose assume that this is your rectangular plane mirror, and on this other side, in front of this mirror, a candle is placed. Assume that. So we will know that image is formed inside the mirror. So this is your object and this is your image. This image is not available behind the mirror, but it is actually forms inside the mirror. कहाँ पे फॉर्म होगा? अगर फ्रंट में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अगर आप रखते हो सो उस ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज मिरर के अंदर फॉर्म होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप प्लेन मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाओ, सो यू एक्ट एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड इनसाइड द मिरर. सो दिस इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. नाउ व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इमेज फॉर्म्ड? जो इमेज फॉर्म्ड हुए उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या है? एंड फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज इमेज ऑफ सेम साइज एज ऑब्जेक्ट. वी कैन से इमेज ऑफ सेम साइज एज ऑब्जेक्ट. जितने साइज का आपने ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है सेम साइज की इमेज आपको ऑब्टेंड होती है. सपोज द हाइट ऑफ दिस कैंडल इज 10 सेंटीमीटर और 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो द इमेज विच इज ऑब्टेंड इनसाइड द मिरर इट हैज सेम हाइट. It has same height and it is 10 centimeter. So this is the first characteristic. Suppose your height is 5 feet, so then the image which is created inside the mirror is also becomes 5 feet in height. Second property is image distance and object distance same. Means what occurs? What says this one? इमेज डिस्टेंस एंड ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस विल बी सेम. अगर फ्रंट में 10 सेंटीमीटर पे आपने एक एंगल को रखा है, सो फ्रॉम द मिरर जो इमेज फॉर्म हुआ वो भी कहाँ पे होगा? मिरर के अंदर 10 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस के अंदर वो फॉर्म होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज वी आर स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर, प्लेन मिरर, एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन, suppose you are standing there, so the distance between you and mirror is approximately, we are calculating, this is 3 feet, 2 to 3 feet. So we know that the image which is formed inside the mirror, it is yours. So the image which is formed, the distance between you and mirror, this is 3 to 4 feet. So mirror से फिर अंदर का डिस्टेंस जो इमेज का होगा वो भी 3 to 4 feet ही होता है. थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज नेचर. So what will be the nature of image? So nature of the image will be virtual and direct. So what is the meaning of virtual and direct? Virtual images are required one type of a screen to form a image. So virtual and direct means जैसे ही आपने, erect का मीनिंग क्या है? जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट थी वैसे आपको इमेज ऑब्टेंड होगा. So this is the meaning of virtual and direct. And focal length infinity for the plane mirror. प्लेन मिरर के लिए फोकल लेंथ इनफाइनाइट होता है. जितनी भी दूर आप ऑब्जेक्ट को रखो उतनी ही दूर आपको फिर इमेज मिलेगी. जितनी छोटी ऑब्जेक्ट दिखेगी उतनी छोटी इमेज मिलेगी. सो these are the characteristic of image is formed by the plane mirror. Now let's look about the spherical mirrors. In that mirrors we will study about the concave and convex mirrors. Let's start. So spherical mirrors. Spherical mirror is a part of a complete spherical glass. So this is our complete spherical glass and from this mirror is formed. एंड यहाँ से कट करेंगे सो वी हैव ऑब्टेन 2 portions. इफ इनसाइड सरफेस इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग देन मिरर इज फॉर्म्ड कॉन्केव मिरर एंड इफ आउटसाइड मिरर इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग देन इट बिकम्स कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट. सो स्फीयर को कट करके कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स मिरर फॉर्म करते हैं. नाउ first is concave mirror. So in the case of concave mirror we know that this is your reflecting surface, this inside surface, and outside surface is non-reflecting. Outside surface is non-reflecting, inside is reflecting. So this is the concave mirror. Now Actually, this is also known as a converging mirror. Concave mirror, it is also known as a converging mirrors. Now the characteristic of image formed by this mirror, अब उसकी characteristics क्या है इसके बारे में देखना है. So image which is formed by this mirror, it will be smaller or larger. So इस केस में इमेज जितनी साइज का होगा उससे बड़ा भी हो सकता है एंड उससे छोटा भी हो सकता है. इट विल बी स्मॉलर और लार्जर. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, इट हैज फाइनाइट फोकल लेंथ. मीन्स इसके केस में फोकल लेंथ फाइनाइट होती है. जितना बड़ा मिरर होगा उतनी बड़ी फोकल लेंथ, जितना छोटा मिरर उतनी छोटी फोकल लेंथ. सो इट हैज फाइनाइट फोकल लेंथ. थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज इमेज डिस्टेंस एंड ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस नेवर बिकम सेम. मीन्स अगर कॉन्केव मिरर के सामने आपने ऑब्जेक्ट रखा 10 सेंटीमीटर पे, सो हो सकता है इमेज डिस्टेंस इट शुड बी नेवर 10 सेंटीमीटर. And image formed by this mirror is real and inverted. Real and inverted. So image जो फॉर्म होगी इस मिरर की मदद से वो इमेज इन्वर्ट हो जाती है. दिस इज शोन इन डायग्राम. सो इमेज जो क्रिएट होगी वो रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड होगी. For example of concave mirror that we are using in our automobile vehicles as a headlight that we are using currently. So this is the example of concave mirror. Another one, convex mirror. Same. In the convex mirror, outer side is reflecting. This is your reflecting surface and this is your non-reflecting surface. And this mirror, suppose one candle is placed in front of this mirror, so the image which is obtained, it is smaller as compared to the original size of object. Now characteristics formed by this mirror, so let's learn. Image is always be smaller. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर के केस में ऑब्जेक्ट आप कहीं पे भी रख दो, देयर आर द फ्यू केसेस आउट ऑफ दैट. एक दो केस में ही ऐसा होगा जहाँ पे वो बिग क्रिएट होगा. बाकी मोस्टली इन ऑल द केसेस इमेजेस आर स्मॉलर. सो इमेज जो होगा ऑब्जेक्ट से स्मॉल हाइट में ऑब्टेन होगा. सेकेंड इज इट हैज ऑल्सो फाइनाइट फोकल लेंथ. मीन्स इट्स ऑल्सो डिपेंड व्हेन द साइज ऑफ द मिरर इज इंक्रीजिंग. So that in that case it is also increasing, focal length is also increasing. Image nature is virtual and erect. Means इमेज जो क्रिएट होगा जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट थी वेजिटीज वैसे ही ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे इमेज यहाँ पे ऑब्टेन होगा. सो इट इज़ वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. इमेज डिस्टेंस इज नॉट सेम एज ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इस केस में भी इमेज का डिस्टेंस एंड ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस दोनों सेम नहीं हो सकते. दिस इज द कंडीशन इन दैट टाइप ऑफ स्फेरिकल मिरर्स. So this is also convex mirror is also known as a diverging mirror because in by these mirrors light ray when strikes on the surface of this type of mirrors it gets diverged from each other. Now this is the part of work for you and that you have to write down the answer of these given questions. So first question is what are the types of mirrors and classified it in detail that you have to write in your workbook. Second question is write about plane mirror, characteristic of image formed by plane mirror. Third question is write about the spherical mirrors, and fourth write about concave and convex mirrors and images formed by this mirror, nature of the images, characteristic of the images and diagram that you have to draw complete diagram. So in this lecture we will complete till here, and in the upcoming lecture we will move on the another important topic. Thank you.